Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install and set up WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search WhatsApp. Search WhatsApp app from here. Click on WhatsApp and you will see install. After click on install and click on after install app is showing on your home app screen. So you will see WhatsApp is here. Click on WhatsApp and click on agree and continue. Enter your phone number. Select country and click on next. After click on next and you will see enter your email and you will see your WhatsApp is set. So that's how you can install and set up WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.